The 10 biggest and strangest cars in the world. When it comes to cars, we often think of sleek sports cars or practical sit-ins. However, there are some vehicles out there that defy conventional norms and push the boundaries of what we consider to be a car. In this list, we will explore the 10 biggest and strangest cars in the world that have captured the attention of car enthusiasts and casual observers alike. 1. 1955 BMW Isetta. The 1955 BMW Isetta defies the typical car mold with its distinctive bubble shape and a single door at the front, which swings open with the steering wheel attached, welcoming the driver into its compact cabin. This peculiar design choice not only set the Isetta apart aesthetically, but also emphasized its practicality in navigating the bustling city streets. Originally powered by a modest motorcycle engine, this microcar's efficiency and ease of parking made it a hit during a time when fuel economy and urban mobility were becoming increasingly important. It might not win any races with its modest speed, the Isetta's charm lies in its uniqueness and the innovative spirit it represented in the mid-20th century automotive landscape. 2. 1953 Firebird iXP21. Embarking on a journey to redefine automotive design, the 1953 Firebird iXP21 emerged from General Motors as a testament to the audacious dreams of engineers and designers. Its silhouette, reminiscent of a fighter jet, not only captivated the imagination but also showcased a bold step towards the future of transportation. Equipped with a turbine engine, this concept car brought the fantasy of aviation to the roads, offering a glimpse into a world where cars and planes converge in design and functionality. Although the Firebird iXP21 never transitioned into mass production, its legacy endures as a beacon of avant-garde thinking and a source of inspiration for future innovations. 3. 1962 Peel P50. Navigating through the realms of compactness and efficiency, the 1962 Peel P50 carved its niche as an icon of minimalistic design. Boasting dimensions that challenge the very notion of spatial necessity in automotive engineering, this diminutive marvel stands as a testament to ingenuity. Created to weave through the tightest of urban landscapes, the Peel P50 redefined what it means to be truly space-efficient. With room for just a single occupant and powered by a tiny engine, its design priorities were clear: simplicity and functionality above all. This approach resulted in a vehicle that could be driven straight into an office or home, sidestepping conventional parking woes. 4. 2017 Karlmann King. The 2017 Karlmann King emerges as a colossus among SUVs, flaunting a facade that blurs the lines between vehicular design and art. Its exterior, characterized by stealth-like geometric patterns, resembles an armored vehicle more suited for a sci-fi movie than city streets. Beneath this imposing exterior lies an oasis of opulence, with a cabin that offers an unparalleled level of luxury and customization options, catering to the most discerning tastes. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the interior features high-end materials such as gold, diamond, and handmade Italian leather, setting a new standard for automotive extravagance. 5. 1977 Reliant Robin. The 1977 Reliant Robin breaks the conventional car design by sporting just 3 wheels, 2 at the back and 1 in the front, a setup that has sparked both amusement and criticism. This unique configuration made the Robin an iconic figure on the roads, despite its notorious instability during high-speed maneuvers or sharp turns. Marketed as an economical option in the face of rising fuel prices, its lightweight frame contributed to fuel efficiency, but also to its infamous tipping episodes. Inside, the Robin offered a simple, no-frills cabin, focusing on basic transportation needs rather than luxury. Its fiberglass body made it resistant to rust, a notable advantage in wet British climates, ensuring a longer lifespan on the road. 6. 1989 Nissan S-Cargo. The 1989 Nissan S-Cargo embraced whimsy and functionality in its design, drawing inspiration from the escargot, which is French for snail, a nod to its intended slow-paced urban delivery routes rather than speed. This petite delivery van stood out with its distinctive rounded shape and eye-catching snail silhouette, making it instantly recognizable. Equipped with a practical sliding door for easy access to goods, the S-Cargo was not just about looks, it was about reimagining the efficiency and fun of small-scale urban transport. The playful exterior hid a surprisingly spacious cargo area designed to maximize utility in crowded city environments. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.